What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prevent your iPhone photos from syncing with Google Photos. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While Google Photos is a great tool for backing up and accessing your photos across devices, you might prefer to keep your photos stored on your iPhone only for privacy reasons. Or maybe you're using another service for backup. Whatever your reason, controlling where your photos are stored and how they are synced is important. First, you'll need to access the Google Photos app on your iOS device. Once you open Google Photos, look for the profile icon in the upper right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will open a menu where you should select Google Photo Settings. Then, navigate to the Backup and Sync option. Here, you will find the toggle for the backup feature. Make sure to switch this toggle off. This action will stop any new photos from being backed up to Google Photos. However, in some cases, you might find that this method doesn't work as expected. If you're facing this issue, there's another way to address it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the listing for Google Photos and tap on it. Inside these settings, you'll see an option for Photos. Tap on it and make sure that Google Photos' access to your iPhone photos is set to none. This step essentially revokes Google Photos' permission to access your photo library, thereby preventing any syncing. If, for some reason, both these methods don't work and your photos are still syncing, don't worry, there's still a solution. First, ensure that the backup option is turned off in your Google Photos app. Then, delete the Google Photos app from your device. To delete the app, press and hold the Google Photos icon until it jiggles. Then tap the X to uninstall it. After the app is removed, reinstall it from the App Store. Log back into your account, and once again, make sure to turn off the backup option in the settings. This process can help reset any syncing issues and should effectively stop your photos from syncing to Google Photos. I've compiled these steps along with additional tips and troubleshooting methods in an extensive guide. Find the link to this guide in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.